Are you facing reading slump? So here I am to solve your problem. So today I'm going to recommend you 5 book series that you are going to enjoy a lot. So in these you will get thriller and fantasy series. I haven't read many book series yet, but I have read these 5 series in 2025, so I am recommending you only those. So without wasting our time, let's start. Basically, this one is not a series, this is a duology, and I am talking about It Ends With Us. If you haven't read It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover, really you are missing most viral story on Book Talk. It follows Lily Bloom, a woman starting her dream shop. Then she meets Ryle. Ryle is a brilliant, charming neurosurgeon who seems perfect. But when Lily's first love, Atlas, reappears, the perfect life starts to crash. I really love this book. It's really heart wrenching and it's a must read. Then here is the second book. It starts with us. I really read this book just because of Atlas. I just love him. You need to read the sequel, and this time finally we talk about Atlas. In this you will learn about his past and romance with Lily, so please don't miss this. So our next series is Once Upon a Broken Heart by Stephanie Garber. This was my first fantasy series and I really love it. This is a trilogy. First book is Once Upon a Broken Heart, and in this you will get Evangeline Fox. Her love of life is going to engage with her stepsister, so she makes a deal with Prince of Hearts and he finally stops the wedding, but in exchange she owes him something. You must be find out what she owes. This book has a good plot. And then the second book is The Ballad of Never After, and it is heart shattering, but you will definitely love it. In this, Evangeline and Jax are back, and this time they are forced to get work together. It is a kind of enemies to lover. In this book, you will get to see the romance between Jax and Evangeline. So here is the third book of the series, A Curse for True Love. In the final book, Evangeline has lost her memories and she thinks Apollo her his hero, and she has no idea who Jax is. It is a battle of villains. If you like he is soft only for her, then you need to finish this trilogy. So our next series is the Housemaid series by Frida McFadden. If you want a book that will make you forget to eat, blink or sleep, then this will help you. First book is The Housemaid. It starts with Millie, a woman with dark secrets who gets a job as a live-in maid in wealthy and ultra weird family. In this book, nothing is what it seems. I highly recommend it. Then we have the second book, The Housemaid's Secret. I really like this book too. If you thought first one is good, then second one is also worth reading. Now Millie is working for another wealthy couple, but there is one strict rule in the penthouse. Don't go in the guest bedroom. Millie hears a woman crying behind that door and she starts to find out. But you never know actually who the victim is. It's faster, messier, and just as addictive as the first one. So try it. Then book number 3 is The Housemaid's Wedding. Anyway, I don't think I needed this book. Basically, it is very short, under 100 pages. If you want to see Millie's wedding or her personal life, then you can go for it. Okay, let's move to the last book, The Housemaid is Watching. The story jumps 11 years into the future. Millie is no longer a housemaid, she is a social worker, she is married and she has 2 children. This one is also good, you can read it. So now we have Good Girl's Guide to Murder. If you love the Netflix show Wednesday, then you have to read this series. First book is A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Pip is main character and she is a teenager. She is a high school senior and she decides to investigate the closed case for her school project. If you want to play detective, then this book is for you. Second book is Good Girl Bad Blood. This one is really darker. It is not just a missing person story. It is about town secrets, the predators, and the price of fame. I really liked this one. It was emotional too. Now move on the third book. So third book is as good as dead. Forget everything you know about Pip. In the final book, the good girl is gone and the really terrifying things are coming. It was the darkest and most intense book of the trilogy. For me, it's a big thumbs up for this series. So here is our last series, the Caraval series by Stephanie Garber. This series has total 4 books. First is Caraval and it is romance and fantasy series. I definitely like this book. If you want to read Stephanie Garber, first read Caraval series, then you should move on Once Upon a Broken Heart series. It's a top tier, slow burn romance with a mysterious boy Julian. Caraval is a magical game where Scarlet goes to play. It's a magical world, but her sister gets kidnapped. In the whole book, she has to rescue her sister. Then we have legendary, finale, and spectacular. Mainly, I like only first book, but you can try the whole series. So these were my book series recommendations. I enjoyed it a lot. Now you tell me in the comments which is your favorite book series. Till then enjoy your reading. मिलते हैं next video में. Bye.